If a storm hit your house, do not file a claim until you do this. Okay, so a storm just hit your house. That first instinct is going to be to reach out to your agent or call the claims department number and file a claim. Well, that's not really the first step you want to take. So why would that be? Well, you don't want more claims on your record than necessary, particularly if they don't even lead to anything. So maybe you don't have enough damage to actually warrant insurance helping out in this situation, but now you filed a claim. Regardless of how the claim turns out, it's now on your record. When you go to shop policies this year, maybe you're going to be selling your house and moving soon, and so you're going to have to look for a new policy for the new house. Well, now you have more claims on your record. That raises your premiums, costs you more money. So that's not something you want to do unless it's the right situation to use insurance. And obviously, if there's damage, you want insurance to pay for it if possible, but that's not always the case. So the first thing you want to do, the very first step, is you want to reach out to a roofing contractor that you can trust. How do you find one? Reach out to people you know who have used a roofing contractor recently. Maybe they have a couple properties, they've used them more than once, so someone they really know and really can count on. Even if it comes with recommendations, they should be legitimate. Have reviews on Google. They should be a real business, not just what we call a chuck in a truck, just some guy with some tools and a ladder. You want that person to get out there. Of course, I can think of one that I could recommend that's always really honest, but you want someone you can trust to come out and tell you the situation on your house. Maybe they get up there and like, hey, you're fine. There's no damage at all. Or maybe there's a little bit of damage, but it's really nothing that you're going to have to worry about anytime in the near future. It's really small stuff. Or maybe there is damage, but it's isolated. It's more of a repair situation or one section of the roof that needs to be replaced. A lot of times, those situations, the cost of getting the work done will not even come close to your deductible. You're going to have a claim. You still had to get the work done, and insurance didn't even kick in any money. It's good to know these things up front. Unless, of course, the situation turns out to be, hey, you really did get hit. There's a lot of damage up there. We should file a claim. We got to get an adjuster out here and see what they have to say about it. There are a lot of those cases, but you want to know if that's the situation going in. And of course, a roofer's opinion and the adjuster might not always be the same. And sometimes you do file a claim and it doesn't end up panning out. But you want to at least know you have a solid chance of getting that roof covered before you put that claim on your record. If you want a free inspection, we do those. We're happy to come help. Give us a shout at 713-364-4525 or visit our website, communityroofingtexas.com. And we'd love to come give you an honest assessment of the condition of your roof and let you know what the next steps might look like and give you advice on the path forward.